Adding a picture to a post is a very simple process. Right now, we are already in the post window, and let's just say that you did all your typing right here, and you wanted to add a picture on the next line. Well, in the computer world, they call it adding media, and that makes sense. You can add either audio, an image, a video, etc. So let's click that button. It will bring you into a new window where you can select a whole bunch of pictures. But let's say if you wanted to add your own picture to the post, you could either drag one in from your desktop, or you can click upload files and then locate that, and it will put it in here. At that point, you would select the picture. Let's say we uploaded this picture right here and it uploaded successfully. You would select it. A checkbox will appear in the picture. It will, on the bottom of the screen, it will post it down here, one selected. And if you are okay with that, you can hit insert in the post. Now there are these other adjustments up here, okay, that you can put. You can put a caption under it. You can rename the title of the picture over here. You can align it to the center of the screen, the left, the right, or have no alignment, just like a word processor. When people click the picture, you can tell it what to do. You can have a large picture, full-size picture, a medium picture, or a thumbnail picture. Let's go and just put a medium picture of that into the post on the left-hand side. And it's as simple as that. Now, if the picture is too small for you, you can readjust it by just selecting the picture. And if you notice after that, it gives you these 4 rectangular box or square boxes on the edges of the picture. You can just grab those and move it however big you want the picture to go. If you don't like the picture, just hit X or hit delete and it will remove it. I want to show you another method of adding a picture onto the site. Let's click Add Media again. If you wanted to, let's say you snapped a whole bunch of pictures, like if you look down here, you see all these pictures here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, they belong to a gallery. And if you did that and you wanted to create a gallery, that button is up here. After you click that button, I'm not going to right now, it will bring you to another window where, trust me, it will walk you through every step of the way, from naming each picture to putting them in order, etc. It's very informative, very self-explanatory. You can also do the same for an audio playlist, a video playlist, or a featured image for your post. The next button right here is inserting from URL. Okay, now this is really interesting. I actually use this button a lot. What it states is if you find a picture on the web that is outside of Shiloh's website and you want to use it in your post, what you want to do is locate the exact URL that is up here at the location bar. Okay, locate the exact URL of the picture, copy that URL, and then paste it into here. Let's do that. I'm going to create a new window right now, and that will bring up this right here. And let's look up pictures of churches. Let's say we wanted to add a church. I'm gonna now you might not use Bing or Google or whatever, but just bear with me here. What I'm doing is I'm finding a picture that I like. Oh, I love this picture right here. Let me click that. Okay, now what we want to do is find exactly where this image is, okay, on the web, rather than drag this and save it onto our desktop and all that stuff, which is basically kind of stealing. You don't want to do that, okay? You want to find the exact location of this picture on the web, not the web page it's on. So in Bing, you can select this button right here, and you put View Source Image, not View Page, but View Source Image. Now you see that? It's the only image right here on the page, okay? And right at the URL, the location bar, is the web address. What you want to do is select that and copy it. So what we've done is we've found the exact location of this image, okay? And we've copied the link right there. I'm going to close this window out. I'm going to close this window out as well. And I'm going to click now, Insert from URL, because we know where the picture is. And we're going to just paste into there. Notice how it just showed up here. Now we can put a caption there. We can put text right here if we want. This won't show up, by the way. And we can select to align the picture within our post. Let's put it in the center this time. The next button says link to. That means if someone clicks the picture, what's going to happen? Well, I always select image URL because we want to direct it back to where you found it, thus protecting you. So let's do that. I'm going to hit insert into post, and there it is right there. And it's centered. Now, let's say I wanted it smaller. I can click it and readjust it this way. Notice it's still centered right here. Notice these buttons right here, you can align it and change it however you want. Let's put it on the left. And let's put it on the right. And back to center. And let's make it a little bit smaller. And let's delete it. So that is how you add an image to the site. It's going to take practice, and you'll get used to it. And good luck. I hope this video helped out a lot.